Hey guys, so my name is Sheikh Noman. So currently I am studying MBBS first year in IJM किर्गिस्तान. So guys, मैं आ रहा था हॉलीडे में किर्गिस्तान से दिल्ली एंड दिल्ली से मैं आ रहा था कोलकाता एंड दिल्ली कोलकाता फ्लाइट में ना एक बहुत ग्रेट डॉक्टर के साथ मुझे मुलाकात हुआ एंड मैंने उसका थोड़ा बहुत इंटरव्यू लिया. ओके, उन्होंने जो वर्ड्स एंड उन्होंने जो सेंटेंस बोला ना, रियली आई फील दैट लाइफ चेंजिंग समथिंग लाइक सेंटेंस मैंने उससे हर्ट किया. एंड एज ए स्टूडेंट क्या क्या करना चाहिए एंड ऑल सब कुछ इस इंटरव्यू में आपको मिलेगा. शॉर्ट इंटरव्यू है, ज़्यादा लॉन्ग नहीं, लेकिन आप बहुत डीप इंटरव्यू है. ओके, सो प्लीज़ देखो इसको एंड फील करो. लेट्स गो. हेलो सर, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Hi, I'm Dr. Manoj, and I head medical systems in one of the MNC companies in India.
Sir, I have some questions. So my first question, what is the best advice you have ever received or heard?
So there are many of them, but a couple of ones. My favorite advice is be in your own isness. You do not need validation from anyone. Feel complete within your own self, and for that, give your very best in whatever you are doing. That's it.
That's a really good line, sir. And sir, right now I am a student. Okay, I am a first year MBBS student. So, what advice you want to give to me? That's for the best for me. Okay.
So very frankly, uh, not many doctors join medical college out of sheer passion to serve patients. If you have passion to serve patients, that's the most beautiful thing on this planet. Right now I can say only one thing. Divine chooses his instrument. He chooses the person whom he permits to be a doctor, so that you can do the very best for his creation, the best treatment, the best guidance. And I think it's one of the finest and most noble profession. I can give you one simple suggestion. Doctors give the best treatment to from their all intellect, but I would just say be very empathetic and compassionate. Speak very politely and softly to your patients, and they can be very difficult in their questions. They can be nagging at times. They can bombard you with pseudoscience and research also, but be very compassionate, full of empathy, because your words will heal equipotently as much as your intellect and diagnosis and treatment will treat.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Really, thank you so much.
God bless you. I just want to say, one of the most pious professions is medicine. And yes, sometimes it's very grueling. Prachanda Purusharth, extreme effort is needed. And sometimes it exhausts you physically and drains you mentally. And you're tempted to wean out of this field. But nothing on this earth is more beautiful. A heart which is in pain, if you can pass on a sweet word, you can pat on the back of the relative who's sitting outside the ICU for weeks together because a family member is critical and fighting between life and death. Just a hand on the shoulders. I am there for you, and I shall give the best. It's one of the most divine profession. Doctors' main job is to teach as well. Preventive medicine should be taught, and every doctor should have one dream, that he should never have any patient. He should heal through his words. He should heal through guiding preventive medicine. And he should never treat diagnosis alone. First is human being, then the sickness and the diagnosis. Yes, one should be precise in diagnosis and very crisp in prescription, but he should see the human being in totality rather than just managing the disease. And by doing that, you will feel so fulfilled, so evolved. You can feel divine energy within. That's the biggest reward of this profession. Thank you. God bless to every doctor.